The clarion call of equal justice under law is what binds us together as a nation.
Courageous Jamaican, me proud of that. African descendant, me proud, my black people proud, and my ways and how me act. Be proud of yourself, don't bow for that. Tell them precisely. This is Amaziah the Great, and welcome to my channel, Great Amaziah. In the United States, you know enough Jamaican are going precisely great indeed. Biden appoints Jamaican Kristen Clarke to head DOJ Civil Rights Division. Now, but go nowhere. We'll be right back with more information. Tell them precisely. Before I dive into this story, let me take the time out to big up the top 10 countries that been tuning into my channel, Great Amaziah. In the lead at number 1 spot, we have Jamaica. So big up all of the Jamaican fans and the audience, enough respect. USA is at 2nd, United Kingdom at 3rd, Trinidad and Tobago is at 4th, Guyana 5th, Canada 6th, 7th is Kenya, 8th is Ghana, 9th is South Africa, and Grenada is at 10. So big up all of them people from all them country there, and all of the Jamaicans them all abroad. Big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Now I'm gonna go into the story. Welcome back to my channel. I am feeling great indeed, and you ask me why. Well, another person with Jamaican roots has joined the Biden-Harris administration in a high-ranking position. This time, it's Kristen Clarke, who has been selected by the United States President-elect Joe Biden as Associate Attorney General in the Department of Justice to head the department's Civil Rights Division. So, for y'all who don't know, when you hear me say DOJ, it means Department of Justice. Anyway, Clarke joins Vice President-elect Kamala Harris and Susan Rice as people with Jamaican roots in the new U.S. administration. Clarke's parents immigrated to Brooklyn from Jamaica. She had said that she grew up in a household that was about discipline, working hard in school, and about making the most of every opportunity. Speaking about her appointment, Clarke said she was honored to serve in the Justice Department. This job is about equality under the law. Under our DOJ, we will move closer to true meaning of equal justice under the law, she said.
It's my honor to return to work alongside the dedicated career professionals who give of themselves every day.
Kristen Clarke, things like these, me really love it for true. On the behalf of Amaziah the Great Amazement and the whole Jamaican crew, we say congratulations and big ups to you. Tell them precisely.
In my son's life and in the lives of all of our sons and daughters, I know the passion and fearlessness that both the President-elect and the Vice President-elect bring to the work before us.
Jamaicans continue to soar. I'm not going to tell you more for sure. Jamaica's Global Diaspora Council member for the U.S. Northeast, Dr. Karen Dunkley, celebrated the appointment. We are thrilled that Kristen Clarke's appointment as Assistant Attorney General for Civil Rights in the Justice Department. This appointment comes at a crucial juncture in America's history to address the systematic inequities and structural racism that remain prevalent in our society. We congratulate Attorney Kristen Clarke and expect her performance brilliantly in her role to ensure the twin pillars of equality and justice for all. The Jamaican community beams with pride at her Jamaican roots. We are indeed a little but Talawa people, said Dr. Dunkley, applauding the Biden-Harris team for their commitment to diversity and inclusion in the incoming White House administration. Dr. Helen Cunningham, the Global Jamaican Diaspora Council member for the Southern USA, said that Jamaicans continue to soar. For many years, our music, culture, and food have been of international prominence. Now, we should include our management and leadership capabilities. Congratulations to Kristen Clarke, who is of Jamaican parentage, on her appointment by President-elect Joe Biden. We here in the Southeast Diaspora recognize her hard work and dedication to discipline and are extremely proud of this appointment, he said. Yeah, well, I don't know the big up thing continue. I mean, say big up again. Because this is what we should do as Jamaicans. Should be proud of who we are and should focus more on strengthening and supporting each other. Instead of the bad mind and the backbiting, something that not going to work. Because too much people focus on negativity. Make us focus on the positive things and make us try be positive and be positive role models for the youth and for the world to follow. Tell them precisely. Great way, the gateway. Anyway, I'm going to continue with the story. according to Jamaican attorney Wayne Golden Jr. This appointment is yet another example of how Jamaican diaspora has truly assimilated seamlessly the wider communities that they find themselves. They oftentimes work silently to effect positive change, and it is a wonderful and proud moment when their hard work and dedication is rewarded with influential appointments such as this. Golden said the community stands proudly with her as she joins the throng of positive, influential, history-making Jamaicans in the diaspora. As for all of the people who really don't know who this lady be, let me tell you precisely who is she. Her impressive accomplishments. Clarke is the president of the Lawyers Committee for Civil Rights on the Law. She previously headed the Civil Rights Bureau of the New York Department of Law under Eric Schneiderman. I hope I got that right. Anyway, in 2019, Clarke represented Taylor Thompson, the first Jamaican-American woman student body president of the American University, in her lawsuit against white supremacists. The day after Thompson was inaugurated as president, New Orleans' Andrew Anglin coordinated a series of hate crimes on campus, including hanging nooses with banana tied to them. He then directed his followers to harass her on social media, a so-called troll storm. Successfully fought for the United States District Court for the District of Columbia to recognize that hateful online trolling can interfere with access to public accommodations, as well as securing damages and a restraining order. Clarke was a member of Prep for Prep, a non-profit organization that helps students of color to access private school education. She attended Choate Rosemary Hall, where she was the only girl to join boys' wrestling squad. She earned her bachelor's degree at Harvard University, where she was involved with initiatives to support and champion African American students, and graduated in 1997. She moved to Columbia University for her graduate studies, where she completed a doctorate in the year 2000. After graduating, she worked as a trial attorney in the U.S. Department of Justice Civil Rights Division. In this capacity, she served as a federal prosecutor and worked on voting rights, hate crimes, and human trafficking cases. Clarke spent several years at the NAACP Legal Defense and Educational Fund, where she helped lead the organization's work in the areas of voting rights and election law across the country. She worked on the cases defending the constitutionality of the Voting Rights Act and also testified before Congress in the state's legislatures. And now, I'm going to go to her honor awards, and this include the 2018 Lewis L. Redding Lifetime Achievement Award, the 2018 Harvard College Service to Society Award, the 2017 Choate Rosemary Hall Alumni of the Year, the 2017 Thurgood Marshall Awards from Quinnipiac University School of Law, the 2016 Alumni of the Year by the National Black Law Students Association, the New York Law Journal's 2015 Rising Star, the 2014 New York State Senate Proclamation for Exemplary Service, the 2012 Brief Awards for the 2012 Supreme Court term from the National Association of Attorneys General, the 2012 New Work Journal Top 40 Under 40, the 2011 National Bar Association Top 40 Under 40, and the 2010 Paul Robinson Distinguished Alumni Award for the Columbia Law School, among others.
Restore justice, to heal our nation, and to move us closer to that ideal of equal justice.
Yeah, this is really great indeed, and like I said before, you're gonna lead. Congratulations. And if you want to find this link, it's from the Gleaner, so you can check out the link in the description and read it for yourselves. And now, moving over to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE. As for the Jamaican dollar rate, for last update on January 8th, the US dollars is selling for $143.54. Canadian dollars is at $112.91. Great Britain pound is at $195.35. And the euro is at $178.71. The JSE Combined Index Summary declined at 808,070 points to close at 31,991. Advance is 33 stocks, decline 34. Trading firm 10. The Junior Market Summary declined at 1493 points to close at 2,645. Advance is 28, decline 10. Trading firm is 2. The top 10 advances are Berger Paint Limited, Cargo Handlers Limited, Caribbean Flavors, Caribbean producers, Siboney Group, Dolphin Cove Limited, Fontana Limited, Grace Kennedy Limited, I Create Limited, Jamaica Producers Group. Top 10 decliners are 138 Student Living Jamaica, AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments Limited, Blue Power Group Limited, CAC 2000 Limited, Caribbean Cement Company, Caribbean Cream, Carreras Limited, Consolidated Bakeries, and Derrimon Trading Company. In trading firm, we have 1834 Investment Limited, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Derrimon Trading Company, Epley Limited, Lasco Distributors, QWI Investment Limited, Sagicor Select Funds, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Cygnus Credit Investments, and Wigton Wind Farm Limited. The volume leaders are Mailpack Group Limited with over 2.1 million units, Pulse Investment Limited with almost 2 million units, and Jamaican Highway with 1.97 million units. And for the oil prices, Brent crude advanced by 2 cents, selling at $54.40. US WTI crude advanced also at 2 cents, selling at $50.85. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amazon, the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow us here, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amazon the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.